welcome back to
One, two, three,
4,
5.
6.
Holy moly! Hey
Hi! It's me in December and our friends Georgie and Parker, Burton, and Charlie. And today we are gonna do the 3 marker challenge.
Now explain it to me.
So I'm the judge and I will be passing these with 3 markers, and each of these people, even December, has to close their eyes and choose 3 markers. If they choose 4, they have to put them back. Pick 3 markers. That's 1. Can't look. 2, 3. We got black, yellow, red. Charlie, close your eyes. Pick 3 markers. 1, 2, oh! 3. We got gold, purple, and orange. Now December's turn. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's Parker's turn. 1,
I did that on
2,
one of the videos. I did one of those on the video.
3.
I did that.
Guys, you have to be quiet. You can't peek. Georgie. 1, 2. Oh, one more.
No.
I'll give you pink.
Okay.
Okay, I guess Britain's done.
I'm telling his tooth.
And it's gonna lose.
I'm telling his tooth.
So I don't get a pooping present.
No, you don't get any presents.
I made the body brown. And that's it's clean. This one's the one and golden one. This one's golden one. And pink one. This is golden. This is this orange.
Okay, I'm not doing it. Nope.
So he can put his markers away.
I made hair on my
No, not yet.
It's crazy. It's crazy. It's literally tangled up with grass. They tangled up with rainbow grass.
Okay, time's up.
Alright.
Charlie, you hold up your paper.
Turner, hold up your paper.
Can't see it. Oh no. Okay. The winner is Britain. No. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Subscribe to our channel.